What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress team. In today's video, we're gonna learn how to create your Google Maps API key and how to get it for free in no time. So before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. Now, let's get this started. First thing, go to Google and type Maps Platform, just like this. And go to this very first link, mapsplatform.google.com. You're gonna be into this page right here. Okay, where all you have to do is click onto this nice button right here. Make the word your platform. Get started. Google gonna redirect you to the Google Cloud platform. If you already have projects, you will be redirected to a page where you can create your billing project. Okay, so nothing to worry right here. You can keep for free, but Google will ask for your card information. Okay, so you're gonna be redirected to a page where you can set up your billing information. Okay, so enter with your business info, with your credit card. No need to worry, will not be charged, but Google asks for it. Okay, because you can purchase things later in the case that you want. But after doing this, you're gonna be into this page right here, okay, the welcome page after setting up the billing account. What level of development experience? I recommend that you be honest right here, okay, so to make basic things, once it's a beginner guide, I'm gonna set none. What interest best match to what you build, okay, can be education, financial, governmental, professional services, software and services is my case. What is the company size? I'm self-employed, 2 or 9, up to your company size. Google will try to understand more about it, okay? So, what critical allocation mapping services for your business growth? It's up to you, okay? Nice to have, it's a good option. What are you looking to learn about to build? You can mark multiple answers right here. Continue. Which of the following is your ideal way to build location mapping services? It's up to you as well. Now submit. Now here is your API key. Okay, all you have to do is copy the key and enter with the services that you need, for example, WordPress or any other services like Shopify or others, okay? Simple, easy, and very, very effective. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Borders plugin, our Enzo WordPress theme, the best WordPress theme you can install on our site, our Growth.net platform to submit your site for receiving and publishing guest posts, our sites.gallery, that is a CSS design gallery where you can promote your site or app or landing page, in addition with our visualmodo.com, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out the Visualmodo. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and I see you tomorrow. All the best.